All right, all right, all right. How are you guys? I hope you're doing very well. Yes. Um, there's another session of the live tech question and answers. Yes. This is another session of the live tech questions and answers. Yeah. This is the session whereby we come online and then you guys can be able to ask me questions which is related to computer hardware, networking, web design, CCTV surveillance systems, and then also if you are a beginner and then you're entering to tech and then you don't know which path of tech that you want to go. I'll be glad to guide you on which path you can go or which path that if you take it will be very good for you. Yes. By the way, I am the founder of I'm the IT boss. And you're welcome back to the IT boss YouTube channel. Yes. So tonight is going to be live tech questions and answers. So come online and then let's have some few discussions. Yes. All right, all right, all right, all right. So I'm waiting for you guys. Come online and then let's have a discussion. Bring your questions and then I'll be glad to answer them for you. Bring your questions and then I'll be glad to answer them for you. I'll be glad to answer them for you. Yes. Yeah. So if you have any question, you can bring it on board and I'll be glad to I'll be glad to answer those questions for you. Yeah. And I think recently I posted a video online concerning a web design video that will be coming in next. I made a video about um incoming videos that will be that will be uploaded on this channel, which is about web designing. Yeah, about how you can design websites using WordPress. That video will be coming in. Yes, that video will be coming in. Yes. So guys, this is a live text session where you ask questions and then we will be giving you answers here. And those questions should be related to computer hardware, networking, web design using WordPress, CCTV camera or surveillance systems. And then also, if you're a beginner and I want to enter to tech and I want to know some kind of advice on how you can go by that. Yeah, you can bring those questions here and then I'll be glad to answer those questions for you. Yes. So I'm waiting for your questions, guys. Come online, 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 and let's discuss. Yeah. Don't worry about my background. Yeah. Don't worry about my background. Come online and then let's discuss. Bring your questions. Maybe we have some questions. Question about computer hardwares, networking, um, web designing using WordPress, CCTV camera, surveillance systems, and then maybe may have questions in the above mentions, the above mentioned, topics. You can bring them in, and then we'll be glad to, answer you. I'll be glad to answer you. Yes. I'll be glad to answer you. Come online, come online, come online, come online. Yes, come online, come online, come online, come online. Let's talk. Come online, bring in your questions. Come online, bring in your questions. All you guys, come out, come online, bring your questions. Come online, bring your questions. Let's answer them. Come online, bring your questions, and then let's answer them. Bring your questions, and then let's answer them. Yes. Bring in your questions, and then let's answer them. If you have any question as per the title of the video, on the title, live tech question and answers, where you can ask any question relating to computer hardware, networking, web design, CCTV, surveillance systems, and then also if you're a beginner who wants to enter into tech, but it's not doesn't know the path or the career path that he should take, you can bring your questions in here, and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Yes. I'm waiting for you guys. Bring in your questions. Bring in your questions. I'm waiting for you guys. Bring in your questions. Bring in your questions. Come online and then bring in your questions. Yes. Come online and bring in your questions. Yeah. Come online and bring in your questions. Yes. Come online, guys. Come online. I'm waiting for you guys. Bring in your questions, and then let's answer any question that you may have. Yes. Bring your questions, guys. Yeah, you can bring your questions. Yes. Um, bring your questions, guys. Um, okay. Bring your questions, guys. So I'm waiting for you guys. Bring your questions. If you have any question, you can bring it in, and then I will be answering them for you. Yes. Bring your questions, and then I will be answering them for you. And I will be answering them for you. For you. I'm waiting for your questions, guys. Bring in your questions. 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 I am waiting for your questions. Yes. Bring them in. Bring them in. Bring them in. Yeah. Bring in your questions. Bring in your questions. I am waiting for your questions, guys. I am waiting for your questions, guys. Bring them in. Bring them in. Bring them in. Yes. I'm waiting for your questions. Bring them in. Bring them in. Yeah. I'm waiting for your questions. You can bring them in. Yeah. Come online and bring your tech question. Come online and bring any question that you have about tech. Any technology questions, bring them in here. And I'll be glad to answer them. Yes. Um, welcome, guys. You guys are welcome. If you join, please send a comment by typing hi or hello so that we know that you're here live with us. You can send hi or hello in the comment section so that we know that you're here. If you are online here, please send us hi under the comment section. Yes, so that we know that you're here. Yeah. So this is a live session where we give you the opportunity to ask questions, tech questions, tech related questions in relation to computer hardware. Maybe you have a question on the computer hardware, networking, web design, using WordPress. Maybe you may have a question about CCTV camera or surveillance systems. Any question that you may have under these categories of careers, you can bring them up. And also, if you are a beginner or you're just about to start entering to tech and you need some advice before you begin, or you don't know the path or the skill or the career path that you should take, you can bring your questions and then I'll be glad to answer them for you. Yes, I'll be glad to answer them for you. So if you join the live, please type reply by greeting under the comment section. Yes, reply by greeting under the comment section so that I will know that you are here live with us. Yes, send a message here if you join the live so that we know that you're here with us. Yes. Yes, send us a message through the comment section. Yes. Send a message through the comment section so that we know that you're live here with us. Yeah. Let us know that you're here live with us. Let us know that you're here live with us. If you're here live with us, send us a message through the comment section. Through the comment section, and let us know that you're here live with us. And also, if you have any question, you can just bring it on board. And I tech, which is under computer. If you have any question under computer hardware, networking, web design, using WordPress, or CCTV camera surveillance system, you can bring those questions up, and then I'll be glad to answer you. Yes. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. Bring your questions up. Bring your questions up. Yes. If you have any question, bring it up. Yeah. And if you join the live session, you can just reply us with the message by through the comment section by applying or greeting us here through the comment section. Yes. And also, if you join this live session, I will plead with you to subscribe to this channel. Yes, I will plead with you to subscribe to this channel. This is a channel where we bring to you tech videos. We bring to you tech videos on how you can do certain things. Let's say in the networking field, how you can set up. Let's say give you a basic idea how you can go by certain things in tech, and also bring you videos on how you can fix basic things that has to do with computer hardwares. And also normally we do bring you videos with people who are already into tech. That's the whole idea of this channel, where we bring you videos and tech relating to computer hardware, networking, web design, CCTV surveillance systems, and then interview with people who are already in the tech industry, who are already in the tech industry, how they began, and then also how far they have gotten to, so that they can motivate you guys move on in the tech industry, or if you are just about to start. Yes. So this session is live tech questions and answers. Bring your questions in. Yes. Bring your questions in. Bring your questions in. Yes. You can bring your questions in, and I will be glad to answer all your questions. Yeah, I will be glad to answer all your questions. So bring your questions in, and then let's answer them. Yeah. I'm waiting for your questions, guys. I'm waiting for your questions, guys. If you have any question on the tech, computer hardware, networking, web design using WordPress, you can bring it in, and then I'll be glad to answer you. Yes, I'll be glad to answer you. So bring your questions in. Bring your questions in. Bring your questions in. Bring your questions in. Yes. Bring your questions in. You can bring your questions in, and I'll be glad to answer you. Yes. Bring your questions in, sir, guys. I'm waiting for your questions. Bring your questions in. I'll be glad to answer them. Yeah. And I know there are lots of you guys who are interested in, entering into the tech industry. Yes. Entering into the tech industry is one of the best decisions that you can make. Yeah. But you have to know certain things before you can venture into the tech industry. Yeah. You see, the IT or the tech industry is very broad. And we have diverse kind of careers, career path in the tech industry. So before you enter, there are certain things that you need to know before you are able to you can enter into the tech industry. Yes. Let me put that. Let me say, for example, it's like you trying to start up a business. There are certain things that you need to know before you begin the business. Or there are certain things you need to learn or know before you begin a certain particular line of business that you want to venture into. That's the same as the tech industry. Yes. There are certain things that you will need to know before you enter into the tech industry. Yes. So this is the opportunity that if you want to enter into the tech industry, we have the dreams into entering the tech industry, but you have questions that you may want to ask. This is the opportunity for you to ask those questions, and then I will be glad to answer them for you. If you are a beginner that want to begin your tech industry journey, or you're a beginner that you want to enter into the tech industry, yes, you can bring your questions here. This session is a live tech questions and answers. You can ask questions on the computer hardware, networking, web design with using WordPress, uh, CCTV camera, surveillance systems. You can ask any question related to those topics, and then I'll be glad to answer you. So bring your questions, guys. And if you join this live stream or this live session, if you just tune in, you can type hi under the comment section and let us know that you are here with us. Type hi under the comment section so that you know that you're here with us. I'm waiting for you guys. can bring your questions in, and then I'll be glad to answer your questions here. You can bring your questions in, and I'll be glad to answer your questions. Yep. You can bring your questions in, and I will be glad to answer your questions. Yes. Yeah. So bring your questions in. Yes. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, you can bring your questions in. Then I'll be glad to answer your questions for you. Yeah. Bring in all your questions. Yes. I'm waiting for your questions, guys. can bring in your questions, and I'll be glad to answer your question for you. Bring in your questions, guys. Bring in your questions. Bring in your questions, guys. You can bring in your questions, and then I'll be able, and then I'll be able to answer them for you. Bring your questions, guys. Bring in your questions, guys. We are left with some few minutes, and then I'll be wrapping up with the last session. It's 11 with some few minutes, and then I will be wrapping up with the live session. So if you're watching us and then you have any question that you want to ask, you can bring the question on board and then be able to answer the questions for you. Yes. If you have any questions on board, you can bring it and then I'll be glad to answer those questions for you. Yeah. You can bring in your videos. Sorry, you can bring in your questions and then I'll be glad to answer your questions for you. If in case you have any question that you want to ask, any question that maybe you may need answers with, you can bring it on board and I'll be glad to answer those questions for you. You can bring it on board and then I'll be glad to answer those questions for you. Very soon I'll be wrapping up with the live session. Very soon I will be wrapping up with the live session. So if you have any question, you can bring those questions on board, and I'll be able to, I'll be, I'll be answering those questions for you. Yes. I will be wrapping up very, very, very soon. If you have any questions, you can bring it on board, and then I will be answering those questions for you. We will be wrapping up very soon. We will be wrapping up very soon for the live video or for the live stream. We will be wrapping up very, very soon. We will be wrapping up very, very soon with the live session. Yes. All right, guys. This is where I'll be ending the live stream. Yes. This is where I'll be ending the live stream. So I will introduce you to Stick and Stay. Subscribe to this channel so that if in case we upload new videos on this channel, or yeah, if you upload videos on this channel, you will be able to you'll be able to know, or you'll be able to view the video, or you be the first person to be notified that the IT boss has released a new video on the IT boss YouTube channel. Yes. So stick and stay, subscribe to this channel, and then see you. See you. I hope you have subscribed to this channel. See you.